Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with the new series and we're going to call this Wig Wednesdays. So on Wednesdays, I'm going forward, maybe not every Wednesdays, but on Wednesdays I want to start doing wig reviews. And so today we're going to do our first Wig Wednesday, and this video is in collaboration with divatress.com. I will link all of their information down below. So basically they're like an online beauty supply. They specialize in mainly wigs. So the wig I'm going to be reviewing today is the Zury Sis Beyond Lace Front wig, and her name is Alani, and I got it in the number 4. Originally I wanted it in like a 1B, but they didn't have any more, so I went with the 4, and surprisingly I actually really like this color on me. So this is a synthetic wig. It is made with Remy fiber, so you can add heat to it. I went ahead and tested it out, and I used about 370. It says you can go up to 400. I used 370 on this wig. It's not a full lace front. Like, it basically has just a little slither of lace right here in the middle where the parting area is. The lace is like a brown color, which is really good because when you're a deeper toned lady, you do have a problem with making sure that the wigs are like, the lace on wigs like blend in. So I had a wig cap on, but the wig cap was actually too light, and this lace blends like perfectly with my skin color. The hair is 48 inches long. I just wanted to chime in real quick and say that it's 40 inches long. I believe this hair is super long. I am 5'2", and this hair goes past my butt. The hair is so long that I can't even get the full hair in frame. But yeah, surprisingly, I really like this wig. This is my first synthetic wig, so I am very new to the synthetic wig game, but I'm loving the look of this. I love the sleekness. I love it. As far as the construction goes with the wig, it's constructed very nicely. Like I said, it has the slither of lace, and then the rest is basically like wefted tracks. It does have an adjustable strap in the back, and it has about 3 combs. It has 2 on the side and 1 in the back. As far as the texture of the hair, so when you think synthetic, I feel like you think like plasticky, but this doesn't have like that plasticky feel to it. I mean, it does feel synthetic, but it doesn't necessarily look synthetic. It has a yucky texture, and it has a little shine, which it isn't super bad. And if you don't like the shine, you can always go in with some dry shampoo and kind of get rid of the shine. So now I'm going to talk about the things that I don't like. Because it's synthetic, it does tangle. Like, the ends do tangle a bit. Like, I can run my fingers through it now, but this side I feel like was tangling a lot more. Like, these ends I just could not get right. That's why I kind of tucked this side behind my ear. So it's kind of expected. The hair is super long and it's synthetic, so I have been getting a lot of shedding, and I can't really tell if it's shedding or if it's just like the long hair kind of wrapping around me because it's so freaking long. But yeah, that's like the only issue, is like the tangling at the ends. Like, if it didn't tangle, I might try to be bold and wear this out in public. Will I wear this out in public? I kind of doubt it. It's just so long. I know it would just get in the way with everything, but I also think it would be really cute for like photo shoots. This is definitely like photo shoot hair. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is definitely out of my comfort zone as far as the length goes, and I haven't had bone straight, like a sleek look like this in a long time. And so I feel like my next actual install, I'm gonna do something sleek and bone straight like this because I'm just loving the way that it's making me look right now. Definitely check out divatress.com. Their wigs are super affordable. All the details about this wig will be listed down below. I also have a few coupon codes down below. And yeah, don't forget to comment, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends. friends, and most of all, subscribe if you like the videos. Definitely stay tuned if you like this video for more Wig Wednesdays. I will be doing more wig reviews. I've always been kind of hesitant with the wigs because I do just like the security. Like, I make my own wigs, but like buying pre-made wigs, I've always been a little hesitant because I just do like the security of like my hair being like attached to my head. But I'm trying to dabble in it. So we're gonna do this wig series. So make sure you check out these videos every Wednesday if you're looking for new wigs. Yeah, so now I'm just going to jump into the next clip and I'm just going to show you guys how I applied this wig. Super simple. It didn't take me long at all, like less than 15 minutes to plop this wig on my head. So yeah, thank you all for watching and stay tuned for the installation portion.